Hello, critical thinking students. I'm making this quick video to help you understand some directions that you will see when you get to Module 2 Thinker. So we're going to start by opening the folder, and you have already gotten to this point if you have found this video. So with the assignment to Affinity and Beyond, you'll see that you will use what you learned from the lessons This Is It, Speak with Good Purpose, and to Affinity and Beyond. So if you click on that lesson and you navigate to the last slide, you're going to find the instructions. So I'm going to tell you very quickly, I'm modifying these instructions to kind of simplify this assignment a little bit for you. So listen carefully. So it says here that you have 3 options, option 1, 2, and 3. You're actually going to have option 1 and option 3. And you're only going to do the reflection piece for each of these options. So for option 1, you are going to focus on this reflection piece right here. Think about a task you performed last week, from chores at home to things you did at school. Write about 2 specific situations where you found it easy to have a "this is it" attitude. For example, playing soccer with friends. And then it says write about 2 specific areas in your life where it is not easy. Instead of writing about this, I'm going to show you how you will just record this reflection in a video to submit in the course. So you're actually not going to be typing anything. You're just going to be recording yourself talking about a time where it was easy for you to use the "this is it" attitude, and then 2 specific areas where it's sometimes challenging for you to use the "this is it" attitude. And then what is a specific strategy you can use. So you're definitely going to have to think about this ahead of time, but don't be nervous about the video. It's a conversation that you're having just to reflect back on your learning. So that's one of your options. Your other option is down in option 3. Choose 3 people with whom you have a relationship and complete the affinity process with them. They can be people you've known for years or someone you just recently met. The people can be those for whom you live, a friend, or someone else of your choice. Include all 3 statements of the affinity process. You're going to practice that on your own, and then your reflection is going to be in the form of a video in the course, just like in option 1, and you're just basically going to talk about what that exercise was like. You're going to tell me what you did, you're going to tell me how it felt, and tell me how the person responded, and you're basically, it's just a reflection piece. And again, you're going to record and upload the video, so I'm going to show you how to do that now. Also, you'll notice several times in the directions it says open the collaboration project assessment instructions. You will not be doing the collaboration project, so you can just ignore those steps in the direction. Let's go back to the course. So if I go to actually submit this assignment, you can't see it on my screen, but show Dropbox is on the right side of the screen. And when it pops up, you'll see this little video. You're going to click on that, and then all you have to do is simply click record. And you can record yourself and hit cancel if you don't like what you said, or you maybe messed up some of the things you were trying to say. But again, it doesn't have to be perfect. If you make a mistake, just continue trying to say what it is you were intending to say, and then submit the video when you're done. So this is more of just trying out these different strategies that you learned, and I'm not going to be following the rubric to a T, obviously, since you're not doing all pieces of this assignment. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions or need help understanding the steps to this assignment to Affinity and Beyond.